How to fix MoonPay wallet not showing crypto. Now, if your crypto does not show in your MoonPay wallet, you have to try to check the blockchain network status using a block explorer with your transaction hash known as TXID and verify you are logged into the correct account. Now, there are other things that you can do. The first thing is to basically close the MoonPay app completely and open it up to see if that helps you solve the problem in the process. If that doesn't, you can try to go to your Play Store or App Store, then search for the MoonPay app and check if it has any sort of pending updates available, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Try to clear the application cache by long pressing the MoonPay app icon. Tap on this I button that says App Info. Then from here, go to storage usage and clear the cache, and you can try to clear the data, but you have to re-log into your account again. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.